And today we're going to be checking out this little drone right here, the Holystone HS360. Let's go ahead, point the camera down, pull it out, take a look at what all you get. We're going to go over some footage that I actually recorded with this drone, and we're going to get into the specs and details. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Alright, so as you can tell, you're going to get this nice canvasy style hard case. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you what you're going to get in here. You get a piece of foam. You're going to get this big controller right here. Now you notice the thumbsticks are missing. That's because you do store your thumbsticks in the bottom right there. That is your charge port for the drone. You do have your phone holder, which pops out here. And on the inside of there, if you can see that little cable in there, what that cable is for is to plug directly into your phone, so you no longer have to connect wirelessly. How cool is that? You do have your angle for the gimbal right here. This is a zoom button or zoom switch on this side. On the front right here, you have your camera button, you have your speed, you have your video button, and you have a return to home button. It is this nice cool iridescent color. You're also going to get, of course, the drone itself. It does have a built-in gimbal protector that you can remove. Now it's not a 3-axis gimbal, it's just a single axis, so you can tilt it only. It does, of course, unfold the front and then the back. Your battery does go in the back here, just like so. And you do activate it by tapping and holding the button down. And then you can tap and hold it down to turn the drone off. You do have a card slot right here on the side for storing those pictures and videos. You are going to have a second battery. And then let's see what other goodies we get in this case. This is another cord. This is a USB-C cord in case you use Android. You're also going to get the lightning cable if you have Apple. This is going to be your charge cord for your controller, a USB to USB Type-C. You will get a silica gel pack. Inside here is, of course, extra propellers, extra screws, and of course the little screwdriver to change those out. This is another cord right here. It's another USB to USB Type-C for charging the drone batteries as well. This is a USB-C to USB-C cable. This one is USB-C to USB micro, and then, like I said, you get the USB-C to lightning port for Apple phones. You do get your manual, and then you have warranty cards and your battery safety alert. So everything that you're going to need to get going. This is a very nice little beginner drone. Let's go ahead. We're going to cut over and I'm going to show you some clips that I got from this drone, and as I'm showing you that, I'll go over some more specs and details. Alright, so we're here on location with the Holystone HS360, and we're going to try to get a flight off today. We're just going to do a short flight and see how this little drone does. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm sure it will. Holystone has been getting pretty good with their drones recently. Yep, I am under the right app. As you can see, I do have a live feed. So hopefully this grass isn't too tall to take off from. It looks like these back props might have a little issue. We're going to chance it anyway. So the first thing I'm going to do is put it on video mode, and we're going to hit record, and we're going to take off. Let's see how it goes. Okay, this grass is too thick. We'll use the actual case itself. There we go. All right, here we go. All right, and we are off. We're going to be flying around just a little bit so you can get an idea of the camera quality. And one thing that I do want you to note is that this is a single axis gimbal, meaning you can tilt it down and up, but there's no other stabilization other than that. So if it's a really windy day, you're going to have to deal with more shake and more vibration, as to where if you fly on a smoother, calmer day, then you'll get smoother, calmer footage. Now, it was quite windy when I flew it, so when I got above the trees it got real shaky, so I had to try to keep this kind of low. But you can see that overall the image quality is quite nice. You just need to work on being smoother than I was, and like I said, not flying on super windy days. Alright, so now we're going to go over some quick specs for this drone. It is the HS360S. The max flight time is 20 minutes per battery. It weighs 249 grams. The max resolution for photos is 3840 by 2160, and the max video resolution is 3840 by 2160. Therefore, it is a 4K camera. Max transmission distance is 9,842 feet, and the video format is AVI and MP4. Now, this drone does have smart modes like GPS follow, VR screen split, point of interest, catapult, one key ascension, gesture selfies, gesture video, tap to fly, and you also have built-in camera filters and much more. Alright, so as you can see, this is a really nice little beginner drone to get that beginning flyer up in the air. It does weigh only 249 grams, so you don't have to register or have a permit or license to fly this. It has some really cool auto features. It does use GPS for guidance, so it's going to be much easier to fly than a drone without GPS. And overall, I think this is going to help you learn and get excited about flying drones. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.